Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin with FC Tucker Realtors, jeffsells.com. Today I'm going to tour with you 3739 East Villa Glen Court. These paired garden homes have a French country style and they're exquisite. Let's take a look. What you might like to know, these garden homes are a very popular category in Bloomington. They live like a large luxury home, they are paired, they have zero maintenance on the exterior, and they're surrounded by beautiful trees. This home lives like a large ranch-style home. There's a secondary bedroom in the front, a study with French doors, and the primary bedroom is on this level, private, with a beautiful view of the green space. You'll enjoy entertaining in this large kitchen with island. There's an eating bar here, double ovens, professional gas cooktop, recent appliances, and a wraparound view of this deck system that overlooks the outside wooded area. Recent updates. There's a jetted spa tub, beautiful walk-in closet with custom organizer, shower, double vanity, and a second closet outside in the primary suite. This sun-filled lower level has a beautiful place for entertaining large gatherings. You have a beautiful entertainment center, a fireplace, wet bar, study, and a bedroom and bath. Villa Glen is located conveniently on Bloomington's east side near Indiana University, walking trails and conveniences. Plus you have these beautiful views from every room in the house. It's time for some al fresco dining here. This stairway leads down to the backyard and to the hot tub. Thanks for touring 3739 East Villa Glen Court. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors.